Hi, my name is Lee Phillips. I'm an attorney. Don't hold that against me. In fact, I'm a counselor to the Supreme Court of the United States. What I want to talk to you about for 2 seconds are the tools that a lawyer uses for the estate planning, the asset protection, the tax planning, the business structuring, the identity theft. I mean, it all melts together. I'm actually not supposed to be a tax type lawyer, asset protection type lawyer. I'm supposed to be a patent attorney. I have a bachelor's degree in geology, a master's degree in analytical nuclear chemistry, and a doctorate in law. You ask, well, how did I end up doing estate planning? That's a story. Actually, in the book, I go through my story. We're not going to go through it now. In the book, I actually go through hundreds of stories that I have encountered with my clients and my friends over the years. Because if I tell you a little story, you'll remember the point related to the story. So what we're talking about is not a boring financial book. What I want to talk to you about on this website are the 6 mistakes that people make in estate planning. If you can avoid just 1 or 2 of these traps, that's the difference between giving a lot of money to your family and having the family spend literally years and hundreds of thousands of dollars in many cases trying to unwind things. Just do a little bit of planning. You don't do it now because you're afraid of it. We're going to overcome that fear, and when you know the 6 mistakes, you can literally save or deliver hundreds of thousands of dollars more to your family in many, many cases. At least you're going to allow them to avoid the frustration that a lot of people have. Before we get started, I need to take a little inventory with you for 2 seconds. 1, do you have a bank account? Well, I didn't have any money in it, all right? 2, you own your own home. You own a little business. What do you do professionally? Have you honestly thought about the possibility that there are going to be problems when somebody in the family dies? Now, it might not be your death. It might be mom, dad. Doesn't matter who dies. Unless the family's done their homework in advance, a lot of time, money, property's going to be lost. You don't want to do that. You want to go right out and around that problem. You can't. You go out and around it, no problem. People, I've seen them mess it up really bad though. They get the stuff off the internet. No, all the internet stuff isn't bad, but it's just a basic. We don't teach you how to use it on the internet. They never do that. A lot of people go to the lawyers, and trust me, all the lawyers can mess it up. In fact, Fortune magazine reports that less than 1% of American lawyers know how to draw a decent living revocable trust for you. So you need to know. Let's talk about the 6 mistakes that people make. You can just click on any one of the videos there, and it's a little 8-10 minute video, and I'm going to talk about the things that people mess up when they do their estate planning. This is Lee Phillips. I'm happy to work with you. I'm willing to work with you any way that I can. Let me teach you about the 6 mistakes.